Imagine planting something in your backyard, watering it every day, and suddenly police show up at your door. Sounds crazy, right? But in the United States, some plants are actually illegal to grow. Today, we're counting down 20 illegal garden plants you should never grow in the USA. Number 1. Opium poppy. It looks beautiful, but it's used to make opium. Number 2. Coca plant. This is the source of cocaine, strictly illegal in the US. Number 3. Marijuana. Legal in some states, but illegal in others. Number 4. Peyote cactus. A small cactus with psychedelic effects, restricted by law. Number 5. Psilocybin mushrooms, also called magic mushrooms, illegal in most places. Number 6. Salvia divinorum, a powerful hallucinogenic plant, banned in many states. Number 7. Ephedra, once used in medicine, now banned for safety reasons. Number 8. Kratom, legal in some areas, illegal in others. Number 9. Datura, looks beautiful, but extremely toxic. Number 10. Khat, a stimulant plant that's banned in the US. Number 11. Unauthorized cannabis. Even in legal states, growing without permission is illegal. Number 12. Betel nut plant. Common in Asia, but restricted in some US areas. Number 13. Sassafras, used for illegal drug production. Number 14. Mandrake, famous in myths, but toxic in reality. Number 15. Jimson weed, highly poisonous and dangerous. Number 16. Henbane, used in history, but toxic and unsafe. Number 17. Fly agaric mushroom, looks magical, but poisonous. Number 18. Morning glory. Some species contain hallucinogenic compounds. Number 19. Ayahuasca plants, used in rituals, but illegal to grow. Number 20. Tobacco, legal, but strictly regulated. Important: laws in the US change from state to state. Some plants may be legal in one place and illegal in another. So before you plant anything, always check your local laws, or your simple garden hobby could turn into a serious problem. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more, and comment below which plant surprised you the most.